Namaste. Welcome to our Mahabharata Explained series. In this episode, we explore the origins, stories, and the characters of the Mahabharata in a clear and a simple way. Let us begin. In this episode, we begin the Mahabharata series by understanding how the Bharata dynasty began and why our country is called Bharata, which is India. Long ago, there lived a great sage named Vishwamitra. To disturb his intense penance, the gods sent the Apsara Menaka. From their union, a girl child was born. She was named Shakuntala. The child was taken to the hermitage of sage Kanva, who raised her as his own daughter. Shakuntala grew up in the forest among sages, living a simple and peaceful life. One day, King Dushyanta, a ruler of the lunar dynasty, came to the forest for hunting. He reached sage Kanva's hermitage and there he met Shakuntala. Impressed by her nature and simplicity, Dushyanta fell in love with her. Shakuntala also accepted him. They married through a Gandharva marriage. Before returning to his kingdom, Dushyanta gave Shakuntala a ring as a token of remembrance. One day, while Shakuntala was deeply lost in thoughts of Dushyanta, sage Durvasa arrived at the hermitage. She failed to notice him. Angered, Durvasa cursed her, saying, "The person you are thinking about will forget you." Later, it was said that the curse would end if Dushyanta saw the ring. Shakuntala set out to meet Dushyanta in the royal court. On the way, while crossing the river, the ring slipped from her finger and was lost. When Shakuntala stood before King Dushyanta, he failed to recognize her due to the curse. Her broken heart, she returned to the forest. In time, Shakuntala gave birth to a son named Bharata. He grew up to be brave and strong even as a child. Later, a fisherman found the ring inside a fish and presented it to the king Dushyanta. The moment Dushyanta saw the ring, his memory returned. He returned with Shakuntala and his son Bharata and brought them back to the kingdom. Bharata later became a great and righteous king. In his honor, the land came to be known as Bharata. From Bharata's lineage was born King Hasti, who founded the city Hastinapura. From here, the great epic Mahabharata truly begins. This brings us to the end of today's episode. In the next episode, we continue with the next chapter of Mahabharata. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming episodes. Thank you.